It's the little things that make the difference.
Okay.
Now, old fellas, you always see old fellas cleaning everything they ever use. And there must be some wisdom in doing that. Holy smokes.
Yeah, there's a lot. Lawn was pretty thick today.
It kind
Or
of looks
long.
like nobody's ever cleaned this thing. Okay, here it comes, here it is. Don't get any grass on you, honey.
I'm moving over here. Now this is one we got like 20 years ago. This little Toro.
Okay, here we go. And every time you mow, you got to take one of these
Yeah.
to pick up the beer cans.
That's weird how they drive by and throw out their fast food and beer can. Fast food and beer cans is weird.
Ah.
Couldn't mow yesterday. It was so much rain.
It was raining like a son of a gun, wasn't it?
Yeah, all
That
day.
was a nice rain overnight.
Oh, yeah, he's got hearing protection.
Do we have to clean both mowers tonight?
You bet.
Okay. I'll help you.
I appreciate it.
Wow.
Looking pretty good.
Wow, looks like a bird's nest in there.
Good at all.
Okay.
Did you miss a spot? Oh,
Did I miss the spot?
no. No.
Where?
Not kidding.
Oh.
Pulling your leg.
Okay. You know, there's one more big spot that you don't want to miss, though. Well, I mean, it's a big sucker. So get ready. We're going to show you things that you've never seen before in your life.
Unless you have. Oh, it's under, this one's good. It's under the big mower's seat. That's really bad.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
This one's not too bad.
The big mower is the one that
Oh, this has got some
really...
dust.
Did you know
Dust on our...
that still yet to come in this video, you're going to see a little Hawaiian hat.
Oh,
That lawnmower makes 2 Hawaiian hats every time you mow.
oh, under that.
I
in
think
those.
you're going to love it.
Yep. I'm going to pause this just for a little second. Oi!
Here we go again, and we should tell them, Brenda,
Okay.
that tonight we put safety first, like we always do. And this light we bought from Max, and they have a ton of them,
Yeah.
and they're about 50 cents a piece.
Well,
Well,
there might be a couple other zeros in
maybe
there.
a couple bucks, but
Yeah.
they're not very much money. Maybe 12 or 13.
Yeah, I can't remember.
Maybe $100. I'm not sure. But now let's clean this mower. Do you
5
have
or
time?
12. What's that?
Do you have time for us to clean this mower?
I do. Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Now we're
Get
on to
ready.
the Ferris.
Don't stand
It's the
too
Ferris
close,
of us all.
because you get grass on you. Is that good enough?
No.
I don't like to take these covers off because I always lose the bolt. Oh, now your light's flashing. Not that it matters.
I don't know.
Someday we'll do this every time we mow, but maybe not today. Watch the grass come out from this side. It's just crazy the way it comes out. That's fun though. I remember the day we got this, we got it home and mowed with it, and then just about cried because it got dirty.
Not quite that fast. Just blew it off. Blew it out like they told us to at Watertown.
How come I
Lawn
got
and
my
garden?
headset on still?
Oh, because you were by that noisy compressor.
Oh yeah. I didn't know this air was so noisy.
Are you going to put them back on? Oh.
I was gonna, but too late now. I was thinking about hiring ourselves out as traveling mower cleaners.
Oh, there you go.
We'd only travel 50 miles, but it'd be worth it.
It is rewarding.
It is. We still haven't come to the Hawaiian hat part, but we're getting there.
Then we open this up.
Yeah.
The little floor thingy. Come
Look at that
on.
grass, boy.
Let it goes forever.
I can't even remember what's under that. Oh boy, look what you found.
The stuff we missed. Not
Yeah.
missed, but you. Are you sitting on it? Oh. No, I don't know what's gonna hit me. I can't.
Yeah, you're right. Oh man. We haven't cleaned this one for way too long. This is harder than color by numbers.
Wish this would stay up by itself, but it won't.
I think it will for a little while. I just can't see where to find all this grass down here. There's grass all over the
And
place.
I can see it, but I'm running the cameras.
Well, I'm glad you opened this. That's a crazy amount of grass in there.
Here, I'll show you. Here, you can hand that to me. Now you watch down
Okay,
there.
I'll watch down there. No, I'm not gonna stick my
Not
face
there,
down.
out there.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna.
Here it comes. Get ready. Are you ready? Or did you get it all out of there?
No, but we got a lot.
We're coming to the Hawaiian hat part. Get ready. I think we got it all under there.
Well,
I got it from 3 directions.
put it back on.
And then a lot of that grass would blow off over there, ended up over here.
Yeah.
But it's pretty well trained to jump right off.
Now we gotta lift up the big seat. It's gonna take both of us.
Yes, it is.
I'm gonna have to pause this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, here they look like little straw nests. Little Hawaiian hats. They're so cute.
They're so cute. Boy, that's kind of a funny thing. Okay, you might be right in the...
Yeah, I'm gonna be right in the blast zone.
Yeah. Okay, here it comes. How's that?
Pretty dusty.
You know, Brian lives like this every day.
Our neighbor?
My neighbor.
Yeah.
And he loves it. He said, I love the smell of grain dust. Okay, there's another hat here, but where is that? Right there.
Oh. I didn't get to look.
Huh?
I didn't get to look.
Nothing to see. Nothing to see here, man.
We're coming to the end here, so far it's like 15 minutes to air blow both of these off.
Yeah.
Of course, we're maybe a little slower than
Yeah.
somebody else, but so
Well, that was fun.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, we appreciate it. See ya.